Hey, as we're already approaching the end of the semester, I can't even believe the 6 weeks has flown by. I just wanted to take a couple minutes to talk about the medical ethics debate and the resource packet. So remember that the debate is going to take place on the on-site day of the semester. It says tentatively scheduled, but we've scheduled that for June 28th. I believe we said 10 o'clock. You have been assigned to be on one side of the physician assisted suicide debate. Each side, and I changed this a little bit from what it's in the syllabus because the syllabus was written when I didn't know how many students were going to be in the class and how many debates that we would be having. So, since it's a nice, cozy group, I've bumped up the time for the debate a little bit. So, each side is going to prepare a 3 to 5 minute introduction before it was just three. So now you have a little bit of flexibility if you want to have a little bit of a longer introduction. That is unopposed. So one side will go for 3 to 5 minutes. We'll flip a coin, something like that. The other side will go to 3 to 5 minutes uninterrupted. Then it'll be followed by 15 minutes of real time debate. So previously that was 10 minutes. You're going to have 15 minutes of real time debate, just going back and forth, point, counterpoint. At the conclusion, again, unopposed, each side will have 2 to 3 minutes to summarize. Before it was just 2 minutes. Again, you can have a little bit longer. I will be timing, and I will cut you off at the end of the maximum time frame. So I'll cut you off at 3 minutes for the summary. You don't have to submit anything written for this part of the assignment, although you do for the next part. What I am going to do, because we have a 2 hour block that I'm having you come in, you can have that first hour of time to work with your partner face to face on site. So I know you don't have a lot of opportunity to interact at this point, so you will have that hour. You should be doing some communication, some discussion in preparation for the debate, but I will give you that first hour to work with your partner face to face. And then with it, you are going to be submitting the debate resource packet, which is also due on the day of the debate, June 28th. You're going to submit a packet of resources that you use to frame your side of the debate. I don't want to see the same articles on both sides because you really probably will have different aspects of the debate that you're going to manage independently. You have to have at least 5 journal articles. So again, I might expect some overlap. I don't expect that all 5 journal articles are going to overlap, meaning being the same with both partners. They do need to be from reputable sources. I have seen some citations that are .org sites, so be careful. You should focus on journal articles, .edu or .gov sites. You're also going to give me a reference page, should be in correct APA. I don't think anybody has quite nailed the APA yet. So if you aren't sure how to do APA, the OWL at Purdue is a great resource to be able to just double check how you're formatting. Remember, APA is both in-text citations and the reference page. So, you should be accurate in both ways. It is a reference page with APA. It is not works cited or bibliography or anything that, it's references. You're also going to hand in to me, in addition to the articles and the reference page, an outline of the key comments for your sections of the debate. So if you're doing the introduction, if you're doing the actual debate, if you're doing the conclusion, if you're taking part in all of it, just give me things like a bulleted list of the key points that you intend to make during your debate. I don't need a lot of detail here. Just give me the bulleted points. We're against physician-assisted suicide is bad because ... Okay, I don't need a great deal of detail. You could also finalize this part of it during your 1 hour time frame with your partner if you'd like to do that. Bring your laptops. I will be able to give you access to a printer. This should be for the key points part of the assignment only. There's not going to be time sources for you to be able to print all of your articles. That should be done before you arrive, but you can have time to, you can use that hour in any way that you think best fits whatever your group is going to be doing. Okay, that hour is yours. So however you want to manage it. Okay, I will have coffee and snacks and things. All right. I am looking forward to seeing you on the 28th. Let me know if you have questions on either of these two parts of your last assignments, and I will see you next Thursday.